morning, students. Today we discuss some important formulas in the indefinite integrations by using of okay substitution method. We are having that formulas that are most important. Previously we discussed about the formula 1 by x square plus a square into dx. In our previous class we completed this. So what is that formula? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. That means a square plus x square or x square plus a square. Already we have this formula. Now I am taking this formula. Okay, today we just derive this formula and its application. X square minus a square. So this formula is 1 by 2a log of modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, so here I am taking the proof. That is the formula. Now I am taking the proof. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. So here I am taking that 1 by 2a, I am just modifying that. So here 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a. Okay, I am just dividing into two parts using of partial fractions. If you have the doubt, you just take the LCM value. So x minus a into x plus a, x square minus a square, x plus a minus x plus a, plus x minus x get cancelled, a plus a 2a. In numerator you are getting 2a, 2a get cancelled. Again same problem. That means I am just reducing to partial fractions, two factors. So 1 by 2a, I am getting that 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a. Okay, this total into dx. So 1 by 2a integration of 1 by x minus a into dx minus integration of 1 by x plus a into dx. So 1 by 2a, here I am taking that log of x minus a modulus value minus log of modulus of x plus a. Okay, already we know that log a minus log b, log of a by b, x minus a by x plus a. Okay, so plus c. So this is the RHS, this is the LHS. Okay, so integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. What is our formula? 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, so that is in the numerator you can take that a minus x also, no problem, because here we are having the modulus. Here we are having the modulus. In the numerator you can take a minus x also, there is no problem. Understand? So this is our proof. Now we will do one problem. Okay, here standard result also we can take. This is our proof. Now I am erasing the proof, and now I am taking the standard formula 1 by x square minus 1. That means put a equal to 1. Okay, put a equal to 1. Integration of 1 by x square minus 1 into dx equal to 1 by 2 into a value is 1. 1 by 2 into log of modulus of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. This is the standard result. This is the generalized formula. Understand? Right. Now I will take one problem using of this formula. Okay, I am writing again here integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, this is our formula. Now I am choosing one problem. Integration of 1 by 3 minus 10x plus 3 minus 10x minus 25x square, 25x square into dx. One problem related to this formula. Now you just take that 1 by minus 25 is the common. if I am taking minus 25 minus x square plus 10 by 25 into x, okay, 25 get cancelled, minus 10x, okay, minus 3 by 25 into dx. If you have the doubt, you just verify minus 25 x square minus 10x, minus into minus plus 25 get cancelled, okay, plus 3, okay. So here integration of 1 by minus 25, here I can get that 2 5 ja, okay, 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja. So x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 5, okay, I am modifying like this, 2x by 5, 2x by 5 I am modifying like this, minus 3 by 25 into dx. So 1 by minus 25 a square plus 2ab, I am adding b square, subtracting also b square, minus 3 by 25 into dx. So here I am taking that minus 25 up to 3 terms. I can write that x plus 1 by 5 whole square, okay. Here minus 4 by 25, minus 4 by 25 I can take that minus 4 by 25 into dx. So here I am modifying that 1 by 25 outside, just multiply by minus 1, just multiply by minus 1, okay. So or otherwise you can take like this also, minus 1 by 25, minus 1 by 25 I am taking outside. So 1 by x plus 1 by 5 whole square minus 2 by 5 whole square into dx. Now you just observe that in the place of x you are having the first degree polynomial x plus 1 by 5, no problem. A value is 2 by 5. So minus 1 by 25, okay. So here I can write that 1 by 2a, a value is 2 by 5 log of x minus a, x plus 1 by 5 minus a 2 by 5 by x plus a, okay. So minus 1 by 25, okay, 5 by 4, 5 by 4 log of, if I am multiplying by 5, 5x plus 1 minus 2. In denominator also, suppose if I am multiplying by 5, 5x plus 1 plus 2, okay, plus c. Here 5 it is cancelled 5 times. So minus 1 by 20, minus 1 by 20 log of 5x minus 1 by 5x plus 3, okay, plus c. Suppose if you put plus sign here, you have to interchange this value, that is the only difference. So this is our final solution, okay. Suppose in the solution if he given 1 by 20, compulsory he should reverse this value, okay. If you remove minus symbol, you just interchange the numerator and the denominator in the logarithm. So this is the difference. Here I am using this formula in this procedure. Understand? Right. Same, already we know the procedure, okay. Like this, already we completed some problems in this procedure, but now we are applying this formula, okay. This formula we are applying. Understand? So similarly, now we completed that x square minus a square, that function. In our next step, similarly you can find the, now I am erasing this value problem. I am writing the another formula, okay, but I am not giving the proof, okay. You just revise that a square minus x square into dx equal to 1 by 2a log of modulus of, okay, plus c. This is our formula. X square minus a square minus x square. So a square minus x square, integration of 1 by a square minus x square into dx equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. This is the another formula. Same model problem. Same model you can easily derive, and we have to apply this, okay, in the related problems. Understand? Right. So already we know that suppose a square plus x square or x square plus a square. Already we have this idea, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. That means 1 by without roots. 1 by without roots. These are the formulas. Okay. 1 by root. A square minus x square into dx. A square plus x square into dx. X square minus a square into dx integration. Okay, so this value is sine inverse of x by a plus c. This formula is sine h inverse x by a plus c. This value is cos h inverse of x by a plus c. Already we have another formulas also for this total, log of x plus same function. Okay, like that also we have, but we can take like this. So 1 by without square roots, 1 by square roots. Okay, maximum our functions are a square plus x square, a square minus x square minus a square, like that. Total these formulas are most important, okay, in solving the problems. We have to check that 1 by we have the square root or not, okay, like that. So I will do another problem by using of these formulas. Okay, right. Everyone just okay, practice or by heart. So whatever it may be, you have the good comment on these formulas. That is most important. Now I will take the another problem. Okay, by using substitution process. Sine 2x by 3 sine power 4x, 3 sine to the power of 4x minus 4 sine square x, 4 sine square x plus 1 into dx. Okay, so now I am erasing these formulas. Okay, in proper time we have to write down that formula and use that. Okay, now I am erasing. Evaluate. Okay, in this process I am taking that letter in the solution. Let sine square x equal to t. Okay, differentiation value 2 sin x cos x into dx equal to what is that? Dt. That means sin 2x into dx equal to what is our value? Dt. Submit this value in the problem. Okay, sin 2x into dx, I can take that dt. 3 into sin power 4, that means 3t square minus 4t plus 1. Our total problem is converting into t terms. Okay, dt. So here I can write that 1 by, if I am taking 3 is the common, t square minus 4 by 3 into t plus 1 by 3, this total into dt. So 1 by 3 into, here I am getting not the, what is that? Square roots. Okay, no problem. A square minus 2 into t into 2 by 3. That means in the place of b I am having 2 by 3. Okay, no problem. 1 by 3 into dt. Okay, next 1 by 3 into integration of 1 by t square minus 2 into t into 2 by 3. B value is 2 by 3 plus b square minus b square. Don't forget that, plus b square minus b square plus 1 by 3 into dt. So 1 by 3 into, here I can write that up to these 3 terms, t minus 2 by 3 whole square, a minus b whole square formula up to 3 terms, minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3, minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3. That means 9 is the LCM, minus 4 plus, okay, 3. That means minus 1 by 3. These two values is minus 1 by 9. Okay, minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3 equal to 9 is the LCM, minus 4 plus 3, so minus 1 by 9, okay, into dt. So 1 by 3 integration of 1 by t minus 2 by 3 whole square, 1 by 9 I can write that 1 by 3 whole square into dt. So what is our formula? Integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx, x square minus a square into dx, 1 by 2a log of, what is that? Here a plus x by a minus x. Okay, so right, we have to write like that, x square minus a square. Okay, so this formula is okay, right. So a minus x by a plus x, or x minus a by, okay, x minus a by x minus a by x plus a, no problem, both are. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 2a log of modulus of x minus a, x minus a by x plus a. Okay, so 1 by 3, this value get cancelled, 1 by 2 into log of, what is that? Okay, t minus 3 by 3, t minus 3 by 3 means, or otherwise you just put 3t minus 2 minus 1 multiply by 3, 3t minus 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 into log of 3t minus 1, 3t minus 3 by 3t minus 1. Okay, in the place of t you have to submit, what is that? Sin square t. So our final answer is log of 3 sin square t minus 3 by 3 sin square t minus 1 plus c. So this is our answer. In the place of t you have to submit that sin square x. Okay, in the last step, you have to submit this value. Okay, so this is our procedure, here I am using the substitution process and formula also. Okay, already just revise our formulas, I am just applying that value. It is in the form of x square minus a square, integration of 1 by some x square minus a square formula. So that formula is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. In the place of x, now we are having t minus 2 by 3. In the place of small a, we are having 1 by 3. Okay, just apply that. In final step, you have to write down that in the place of t sin square x. Don't forget that plus c. So that is our answer. Like that, we can easily solve the problems. Understand? Main thing is you have to perfect in the formulas and just apply that formula in proper step. Okay, you will get the result perfectly. Okay, right. Thank you.